Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Hyper3d AI. So this one is very useful tool if you want to create videos. You can also generate images. You can create the 3D images and 3D models. So after that, now I can go and open this website. And then select one of the Google account. So let me select this one. Okay, now I am logged in. Now we need to accept these terms and conditions. Select this one. Okay, this one, text to video. Then after that, let me type create a video of car. Then scroll down. After that, click this button, generate video. So now here you can see video is ready. I can play it. Okay, that looks fine. Just you need to click this button to save this video in your laptop.